Hello, so we're just minutes away before departing from Tangier to Tarifa. I finally got my boarding pass, which I actually had to get outside this terminal, like right over there. So I had to walk with my huge backpack and my hand luggage. But yeah, I don't know what's happening, but I think we're all waiting for the 11 a.m. departure of the ferry. So yeah, I'll keep you updated later.
I still couldn't believe that my 9 days in Morocco was over in an instant. I did so many interesting things that made me appreciate the kingdom's diverse nature, history, and culture. Can't wait to come back and savor its sights, sounds, and flavors once more.
I'm so tired. But yeah, we finally made it here inside the Everest ferry to Spain. It will take like an hour to go there, and I'm super excited to finally go to Spain. Like, I've been to so many countries in Europe, well, not so many, but a few of them, and I've never been to Spain. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm just so tired right now. But okay, later, let's explore this ferry. Okay.
It is super easy to travel from Morocco to Spain by sea with FRS and Intershipping providing fast, safe, and reliable services between Tangier and Tarifa or Algeciras. It only takes an hour or less to cross the strait, so I definitely recommend this experience. The tickets are affordable too. I got mine for only 36 euros. As a traveler, sailing across the Strait of Gibraltar from Africa to Europe has been in my bucket list.
So we finally departed 45 minutes after our scheduled departure, but that's okay because I'm still super excited. Like, imagine we're crossing the Strait of Gibraltar from Africa to Europe, and I've been wanting to do this for so long, and now I have the chance to do it. So yeah, I'm super excited. Like, earlier I was tired, and now I'm finally rested and was able to go around the ferry, and it was really nice. And it was quite bittersweet to see Tangier fading behind, but now we're heading to our new destination, so I'm really up for it. Let's go, Ikimasho! Okay, earlier the crew started distributing this. Do you know what this is? This is a seasickness bag. And yeah, the waves are getting bigger, and it has started to affect a lot of passengers, including me. So, wish me luck.
See those waves? Aside from being one of the world's most popular destinations for wind sports, Tarifa is also the southernmost point of continental Europe. From here, it takes 6 hours on land to reach Seville.
Alright, so I was actually on my way to my hostel when I saw a huge gathering of people. I really didn't know that what's happening here, so I had to ask. And there was like a parade for the Magi or the three kings. Okay, here they are. Just right on time. Alright, that was so cool. I really didn't know that there would be a parade while I was walking from the bus station to my hostel. See, like, I literally have my luggage right now with me. But yeah, I saw this huge group of people and I had to ask what was happening, and they said that there would be a parade, like a Christmas parade or something. And true enough, when I waited, I was just right on time when they came in. So happy that it happened. Alright, so far so good on our first night in Sevilla. Yay! Hola, buenas noches desde Sevilla, España. I'm currently here at For You Hostel, and just like the ones in Marrakesh Fest and even my guest house in Chefchaouen, this hostel rocks. It is so beautiful and affordable too. I only had to pay like 16 euros a night, and the beds are super comfy. They have privacy dividers too, strong internet connection, good location, staff is friendly. What else? Yeah, I really like this hostel. Tomorrow we will walk around the city, and first on our list would be the Real Alcazar because I really want to see it, and then we will walk and explore and appreciate the architecture, eat Spanish tapas, and just appreciate the fact that I'm in Spain. Hola, buenos dias desde Sevilla, España. Today is December 30, and in an hour we will be joining a group tour of Real Alcazar. But in the meantime, let's walk around and explore the Andalusian capital. So I'm currently crossing the river and just appreciating the fact that we're here in Sevilla. Great day, not too cold, probably it's around 16 or 17 degrees. Okay, so I'm not sure if you recognize this place, but we were actually here last night. This is Puerta Jerez, where the parade happened. And yeah, it looks different in the morning, and I really like it because there are fewer people. There's the Get Your Guide flag, and that's our group. So this is the Real Alcazar, I believe. Like, look at that line. Alright, so we're just waiting for a few people before our tour finally starts. Like, I was supposed to not join the tour, but again, I was so stupid for not booking the tickets on time. But thankfully, I found the Get Your Guide app, which allows you to book tours to the Real Alcazar without falling in line or skipping the line. Because with that crowd over there, you really do need to book your tickets in advance to save time. Alright, so yeah, we're currently in Plaza del Triunfo, and in a few minutes we will go inside the Real Alcazar. I'm super excited.
The Real Alcazar is possibly the most emblematic icon of Seville. It is registered as a World Heritage Site together with the Cathedral of Seville and the Archivos de Indias, as they epitomize Spain's great power during the Age of Discovery. As a royal residence, the Real Alcazar is one of, if not the oldest palace that is still in use in Europe. Its origins date back in the 10th century as a fort for the Caliphate of Córdoba. The subsequent Muslim rulers enlarged it and built palaces within until Christians reconquered Seville in the 13th century. These Catholic monarchs embellished the palace with Christian and Mudéjar elements. For those who have seen my previous vlogs, you might have noticed that Real Alcazar's design is somewhat similar to what we saw in Morocco. But there's a catch. Real Alcazar is a prime example of Mudéjar style, or the fusion of Islamic art and Christian artistic trends like Gothic, Romanesque, and Renaissance. There are actually two palaces within the Real Alcazar. The stunning Palacio de Don Pedro, also known as Palacio Mudéjar, where we are right now, and the Palacio Gótico, where the chambers of Charles V are located.
Okay, so we just finished touring the Palace of Real Alcazar and they were so magnificent. The tour itself is very informative and I was able to appreciate the history of this place. Well, my main advice for you if you go here is to book your tickets in advance. Imagine, I actually checked the official website 3 days ago and the tickets were sold out and I didn't have time to actually fall in line for an hour or two just to buy my tickets on the gate. So be sure to buy your tickets in advance, alright? Okay, so let's explore this garden.
I just love these gardens. I think I spent like an hour or two just chilling and relaxing. Fun fact for fans of Game of Thrones, which I'm not unfortunately, some scenes from its 5th season were shot at the Real Alcazar. Another important place within the Real Alcazar is the Cuarto del Almirante, or the Admiral's Room, where Amerigo Vespucci, Juan Sebastian Elcano, and Ferdinand Magellan planned the first circumnavigation of the world. It connects to a chapel that houses the first known painting that deals with the discovery of America. La Virgen de los Navegantes, a Renaissance painting by Alejo Fernandez, depicts an image of Mary towering over American natives, King Carlos I, King Ferdinand, Vespucci, and Columbus. Various tapestries with the coats of arms of the admirals also hang on the wall.
So we're lining up to enter the Cathedral of Sevilla, and this church is massive. It's actually the largest Gothic cathedral in the world. My other reason for visiting this colossal church was to see this, the tomb of Christopher Columbus. Muchas gracias por ver mi primer vlog en España. My Andalusian adventure in Sevilla and Córdoba continues on the next episode, so please watch it. Stay healthy and be safe. Nos vemos!